Cryssberry Reviews and Tips once again. So our today's review is a comparison between silicone cake molds and metal cake molds. You will see everything you need to know about silicone molds plus a baking test on both metal and silicone molds. We all know about metal molds because metal molds are a good conductor of heat, which makes the cooking process faster. But however, if the metal molds are not greased and dusted properly, the food, that is the cake or cookie or whatever you put in, is going to stick. But silicone on the other hand are very flexible and also more of non-stick. Silicone bake molds are made of silicone rubber. It is created by bonding silicone and oxygen. Silicone bakeware molds are tolerant of heat up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, but however, it is important to check the bottom of your bakeware mold to check the heat tolerance level. Silicone doesn't emit smoke or doesn't leach into food according to FDA, and also it is non-reactive with food chemicals according to experts. Reference link in the description. But remember, do not put it on open flame. Avoid buying low quality silicone bakeware, which means a good silicone bakeware will not produce any kind of odor, that is any kind of burning smell while heating. So now we are going to do a baking test on both silicone and metal bakeware. So let's go. So here are my metal aluminium cake molds and those are the silicone molds. They come in nice, beautiful, vibrant colors. You would not even want to unmold them, you would just want to serve them like that. So I'll start with greasing my aluminium molds with some oil. Smear them with oil all over. You can use your finger also. And this brush is also a silicone brush, I should mention that. So we are done with greasing the metal molds, but the silicone molds I have not greased. So let me pour the muffin batter into the molds. Just fill up to 3/4, not more than that. Okay, I'll just level it using a spoon. It's better to use a spoon to fill it than pouring it like that. Just tap it. Now I'll fill the silicone molds also the same way and just tap them also. And here I have some chocolate batter. I'm going to fill them too. Okay, that will do. Today I'm baking them on the stove using a heavy bottom vessel. I have preheated it for about 10 minutes before placing the muffin cups. Okay, so after 30 minutes, just use a toothpick and prick in the center. And if it comes out clean, our muffins is ready. Yeah, so it's done. We can remove it. The silicone molds are not that hot. I could use my bare hands to remove it, but the metal ones are really hot. I'm not able to touch it even. So I'll use tongs or a kitchen glove to remove them. So I've let them cool for about half an hour and now I'll unmold them. See how easily you could remove the muffins from the silicone mold. And let me show you the inside of the cake. See how well it's cooked. It's really soft. Can you see it? So fluffy and soft. So now we'll unmold the muffin from the aluminium mold. That is also easy to take because I greased it. But you have seen that I have not greased my silicone molds at all. And now the chocolate muffin. Look at the silicone cup. I have not greased it at all, but there is no sign of batter sticking to the bottom or anywhere on the cup. But here look at the aluminium mold, though I have greased it, there is some batter sticking to it, right? And now let's see the cleaning part. First we will turn the mold inside out, and then we'll use a toothbrush to clean it. Just use some soap and nicely scrub it. It is very important to clean the mold thoroughly because any kind of oil or batter sticking to the mold can lead to fungal growth. The bristles of the toothbrush can reach every nook and corner of the mold and make it squeaky clean. So I have two different shapes of molds here. So let me show you the difference. If you see this mold, you can see that the gaps between the curves of the design is wider compared to the other one. Let me show you that one. See, these are closer to each other, making it difficult to clean. So I would suggest you choose a mold like the red one instead of the blue one, considering the cleaning part. If you wish to buy the baking mold seen in this video, please check the link in the description box. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon once again. Until then,